IO, NFC or QR? How to know which one to choose. The QR code is a two-dimensional graphical matrix barcode. If you compare it to other barcodes you have seen, they might just be one-dimensional and they will only generate a number. The two-dimensional matrix barcode, we call QR, however, is generating a URL, which can link to a web page, which also can link to a DPP and can be used with WhatIO. The QR codes are simple to produce. You can print them on a simple label printer. They can also be used on the screen. They can be used in different type of ERP system and be printed on a single laser printer or inkjet printer. They are mainly used in the general product level. They can be used outside of the packaging material, and they can be used in a very simple way, in a generic way, where all the products actually are to be treated the same. Typically, if you have a product that always have the same material, there's not a big deal in actually tracing them individually. You just want to have a nice way of producing assembly drawings, montage, product manuals, and there's no variation on the uniqueness or material, etc. That is when the product share the same metadata. Then a simple way is to create a QR code, and this is what IO can do. The other thing what IO can do is go down one notch level. We will not go into detail in this video about it, but this is when you have different type of production facilities. You can also have different type of time batches. You can maybe you change and update the material as you go on, or you want to have upstream traceability where the material is coming from. Then you can actually create batch product level. That's also very suitable for QR codes. And obviously you can also use NFC in all these different cases, but it might be overdoing it. Actually, when you're coming down to the unique fabricated item, we at WhatIO need to use the NFC because we're using a token we generate and we're using the serial number of the NFC. But that will actually create a fully traceable item, basically like having a birth certificate for your product. And that will also, in WhatIO, when you have created a fabricated item, you actually get a duplicate of that product link in the form of a QR code. That is mainly used on warranty cards or as backups if something would fail. But this is basically simplified where you would see where you would use QR codes or where you would use NFC tags.